Hi there, good morning. It's good morning this time. I just got a new little gadget, and I thought I'd share it because I'm really impressed with it, and I think it's gonna solve quite a lot of problems. Well, not a lot of problems. It's gonna solve something I want to do on the quad. I really wanted to record. Now I've got the on-screen display module and all that business working. I really wanted to video or capture the output from the FPV camera with the overlay information, integrated onto the video link. But I didn't really want to record it on the ground because obviously then the recording will be suffering from the usual breakup you get over the air, an inevitable breakup you get over the air. So I thought, well, I want to record it on the quad, so basically record the signal before it goes into the 5.8 gig transmitter. So I've been looking around trying to find a little video recorder, and when I found this I got from Hobby King. Actually a really good service. Ordered, arrived next day. Obviously they charged me a fortune for postage, but then they always do. Anyway, enough of that wittering. Nice packaging, by the way, very nice packaging. Chinese manufacturer. Do like some nice. So this is really nice. You're gonna like this. Okay, here it is. It's a little SD video recorder. So basically, really simple. Composite audio in, composite audio out, power, SD card, some lights to tell you what's going on, and an infrared link because obviously there's no buttons on it. So quite nice. Comes with some sort of Velcro-y stuff. Lots of cables. Some that are not terminated, so you can do things with it. Great, all good. Video cables, yeah, more video cables, more stuff that looks like cables. A little remote control, really nice, quite good quality for Chinese stuff. So that allows you to control all the on-screen displays, of which there are lots and lots and lots. I won't bore you with all that now. All of it's on the disc, the manual's on the disc, together with a little player. Anyway, enough of this. Right, okay, the only little problem with it is, it's lovely, it's really nicely made. It comes in this die-cast aluminium extrusion, all really good, but it's a bit on the heavy side. Let's have a look, hang on, get out my trusty scales, see what it weighs. Well, not too bad, 86 grams. So it's not too bad, but the main problem is from mounting it on the quad point of view. I've got very little room, and all these connectors take up loads of room. So you've got all this stuff sticking out here. I don't want any of that. So what would you do? I know. Let's strip it down. So that was the original intention. I didn't expect it to be quite so nice when it arrived, which it is. So anyway, bear with me a second. It's a die-cast aluminium extrusion, so I'm expecting the printed circuit board will just be slipped in on guide rails. That's not normally how these things work. Bear with me a minute. Come out, Mr. Why did that come out? There we go. Right, it's off. So there's the end panel, which is quite nice. Here we go. Here's the guts, earth strap. Right, let's get rid of the case. So what does it weigh now? It's out of the case. 38 grams, so that's sort of kind of halved its weight. Now this is quite good. Let's have a look here. Yeah, right. Okay, I see what they've done. Right, here's the guts. Here's the guts of the board. So here's all the electronics. Video processor, frame store by the look of it, battery back, all the usual stuff you get on these things. But the nice thing is this top board has been added on, and this has all the connectors on it. So, and it's basically plugged in and then soldered here, and by the look of it, we've got what have we got? Right, okay, we got we got power here from this connector. So that's okay, it's in the middle of the camera. Power here from this connector, and then we've got the video audio in. It's mono. So we've got 4 wires here. I'm probably guessing that's video in, video out, audio in, audio out. So, or well, I'll buzz it out, but it'll be that in some order. And there's another connector here that isn't used. I'm suspecting that's probably the other audio channel that they've not bothered to wire up. Okay, so that's good. So basically, what I'm going to do is there's a battery here, a little lithium battery, and I'm suspecting that's probably used so that if the power was disconnected while it was recording, it needs, you know, a few seconds or so to complete the file write, even with the power being disconnected. If you just pulled the power and it just stopped right in the file, you could probably corrupt the file system on the SD card. So I'm suspecting this battery is to give it a bit of time to complete its business if you were to yank the power on it. So I may or may not use that battery. It looks like it's plugged into the board in there, so it's easily removable. Right, yeah, so I'm going to take this board off, which will just leave me with this bottom board, disconnect these wires here, use this end panel, remount the board in a little plastic case, which will be an awful lot lighter, and then wire directly onto the end of this board, and then mount the new box underneath the on-screen display module box I've just mounted, and then hook the video and the power into the existing box on the quad, and then I'll have a onboard video system which will weigh probably about 40 grams, and will be powered from the quad with its own little battery back. So if I do yank the power on the quad, forgetting to stop the video, it will complete the video recording itself. So yeah, that's all good. That was from Hobby King. I think that was £34 plus some dreaded postage, but it did arrive the next day, and I think it's really, really nicely made. And to be quite honest, I have no idea how they can make that for that price. So yeah, so that's the next little project, is to get that mounted on the quad so I can do some really nice, clean in-flight video recording. And it's sunny today, so we're going to go flying. Anyway, hope you like it. Any questions, fire away. Thanks for watching. Cheers.